The Gegenbauer polynomials. In this video, we'll generate the Gegenbauer polynomials using Taylor-Maclaurin series and Linest polynomial regression. Here we have the Gegenbauer polynomial, which is the summation of a times 2x to the power n minus 2k. The value of a is minus 1 to the power k times gamma n minus k plus alpha all over gamma alpha times factorial k times factorial n minus 2k. The value of k is from 0 to 0.5 n, and our n is data validation, list of items 0 to 10. So these are the values of our n. And our value of alpha will be list of items from 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Say. Next, we generate the Taylor-Maclaurin series sum expansion of the Gegenbauer polynomial. So array formula, series sum 2x, 2 times x, all over, or raised to the power, n minus 2k. So that's n, starting from n, and increment of 2, 4, 6, so increment of minus 2. And the coefficient will be this range. Now the value for k. The k is 0.5, 0 to 1 half n. So this is equal to sequence 0.5 times n plus 1, one column starting from 0 incremented with 1. So that if n equals 5 or 10, then k is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So value of a is 1, 2, and 3, or the alpha. Now we complete the coefficients, which is array formula minus 1 to the power k. To the power k. So if this is 0, empty, this should be 0. So we correct this. So if k is empty, and 0. Otherwise, calculate. So we have corrected. Empty, then it's 0. Now we continue. Second part of the numerator is gamma of n minus k. So times gamma n minus k. N minus k plus alpha. So that's the numerator. Now the denominator. So divided by, and there are three parts, gamma alpha, factorial k, and factor of n minus 2k. So gamma of alpha times factorial k times factorial n minus 2k. So n minus 2 times k. So at n equals 0, our polynomial y equals 1. So if we put it at alpha equals 2, it's also 1. Alpha equals 3. At n equals 1, so at alpha equals 1, then it will be 2x. Y equals 2x. At alpha equals 2, then the polynomial y equals 4x. Alpha equals 3, polynomial y equals 6x. At n equals 2. So our polynomial at alpha equals 1, alpha is minus 1 plus 4x squared, minus 1 plus 4x squared. at alpha equals 2, that's minus 2 plus 12x squared minus 2. At alpha equals 3, that's minus 3 plus 3x squared. At n equals 3. So we begin at n equals 3, our alpha is 1, then it will be, polynomial will be minus 4x plus 8x cubed. At alpha equals 2, it will be minus 12 plus 32x cubed. And alpha equals 3, it will be minus 24 plus 80x cubed. Alpha at n equals 4. At n equals 4, and our alpha is 1, it will be 1 minus 12x squared plus 16x to the fourth. 1 minus 12x squared plus 16x to the fourth. Alpha equals 2. It will be 3 minus 3x squared plus 80x to the fourth. N equals 3. Our polynomial will be 6 minus 120x squared plus 240x to the fourth. This completes the use of Taylor-Maclaurin series sum and Linus polynomial regression to generate the Gegenbauer polynomials and the trend line.